Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just slide a little bit to the general settings category. At the first place we have save location option, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And this option allows us to save some camera tags, some information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our photo. When we want to check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and here we have access to the details with the map. So greetings from Krakow, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.